Right, headlight on my Mark 5 foggy. I haven't touched that one yet. I'll go around. I've done that one. And as you can see the difference, I've used ribbon compound first. Give it a couple of goes, wipe them off, anything like that. And just polished it up with that with a bit of autoglym. I don't know if you're not supposed to, but I've sealed it, which it hasn't dried yet, with that, if you can see it. Yeah. So we'll see what it comes up. It's supposed to seal it all off. I'll just do this other one. And yeah. Let's see what it's right. Damp cloth. And, when it comes out, there you go, just like that. A bit of ribbon compound, fine ribbon compound, rub it in. They use sandpaper, and you get these kits, they cost you about 70 odd quid, but I've always done them like this, but I've never used that sealer polish. My wife Jacqueline bought it me for Christmas, but she thought it was a bigger bottle, but you don't use much. Anyway. Give it a good rub over it. It takes all the tarnish off it. I go over this twice, like I was doing this, and I need to do the van as well. I don't know if the seal is supposed to seal it, and it's not supposed to fog up again after, but I don't know. Let's give it another going over with the ribbon compound, just to, I don't know, £2.50 I think it was, yeah, £2.50 just for ribbon compound. It's just like car plan. Wipe out now, try getting most, get the bit of the wet stuff off. You get it on the bodywork, it doesn't matter. They tell you to tape it all up and everything like that, but obviously when you're sanding, because if sandpaper catches a paintwork, it's a panel respray, isn't it? Anyway, let's polish that in. Clean this cloth. Sorry about the noise. Comes up clean just like that, doesn't it? Right. Oh my god, it's just a super resin autoglym. So. salty car polish. Just go over just around there, just the sewer rubbing compound in. Obviously that there, it needs a new light really, but I'm just showing you that I am during the summer here, we're still in the last day of February tomorrow. So push it up now. Do all the preparation with the sandpaper. I don't know what it's going to work like, to tell you the truth, but it is proper. This polish, and then they say to use a sponge with a non. So I've got like the sponge. This is how it came. So. INNOVATIVE Headlight Repair Polish. A bit of a shake. Don't know which end it was now. Just soaks in. Apparently just evenly covered it over. I'm supposed to seal it and stop the UV lights getting at it again off the sun, you know. That's it. See what it comes up like. It's dried out in here. So that one's dried out. Right. That's it. Well done. As quick as that. It literally took what? Just over 5 minutes. So it's a quick way of cleaning your headlights, getting when they get all go all tarnished, and what a difference that's made. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.